Save time and money with today's recommended business and have a profitable day.
Hi, it's Tom with theprofitableday.com. I have today's recommended business. Desert Wind Homes from Reno, Nevada. They are a boutique home builder that has been family owned and operated since 1994. As a boutique builder, they are uniquely positioned to customize their homes to the requirements and wishes of their customers. Their website shows several communities and a floor layout with pictures of their home plans. Also, the latest information with their monthly newsletter and a Contact Us section, or give them a call at the number on your screen. Desert Wind Homes from Reno, Nevada. They are today's recommended business. Thanks for watching and have a profitable day.